How to make almond crescent cookies. Start with 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 cup of ground almonds, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and mix well. Add 1 cup of butter at room temperature and start mixing using your hands. You want the butter to be distributed evenly. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Keep mixing for several minutes until the butter is distributed evenly with the dry ingredients. Form the dough into a ball. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. When the dough has cooled, pinch off small sections of the dough and shape it into crescent shapes. You will end up with about 20 to 25 cookies. Bake cookies in a 350-degree oven for about 14 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool on the pan for a good 10 minutes. Mix together 1/2 cup of powdered sugar together with 2 packets of vanilla sugar. While the cookies are still warm, roll each cookie in the powdered sugar mixture. Place each cookie on a cooling rack and allow it to cool completely. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe.